Welcome back to Emart classes. আজি আমি The Tiger, the Brahman and the Jackal এই ଟପିକ୍ର ସିନ୍ 3 ପଢ଼ିବା, ବୁଝିବା ଏବଂ କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସନ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ର ଆନ୍ସର କରିବା। ଟାଇଗର କହୁଛି, You have been away a long time. ତମେ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ଡେରି କରିଦେଲଣି। Now, let us begin our dinner. ଏବେ ଚାଲ ଆମର ଡିନର ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା, ମାନେ ରାତ୍ରି ଭୋଜନ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା। I cannot wait any longer. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ କହୁଛି, But wait, just 1 minute. ଗୋଟିଏ ମିନିଟ୍ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରନ୍ତୁ। My lord, ହେ ମୋର ପ୍ରଭୁ, I want to explain. ମୁଁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to explain matters to my friend here, the jackal. ଏଠାରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିବା ମୋ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଜାକଲକୁ ମୁଁ ସବୁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ବା ସବୁ ଘଟଣାକୁ ବୁଝାଇ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। ଟାଇଗର, Well, be as quick as you can. ଠିକ ଅଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ପାରୁଛ କର। I have waited too long already. ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିସାରିଛି। ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ, Very well, ବହୁତ ଭଲ, my lord, ହେ ମୋର ପ୍ରଭୁ। I won't take much time. ମୁଁ ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ନେବି ନାହିଁ। You see, Mr. Jackal, ମିଷ୍ଟର ବିଲୁଆ, ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। Here is the trap. ଏଇଠି ଜନ୍ତାଟି ଅଛି। The tiger was inside. ବାଘ ଭିତରେ ଥିଲା। And when I came, ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଆସିଲି, I let him out. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ବାହାର କଲି। ଜାକଲ, Oh, I see. ହଁ, ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି। You were in the trap. ତମେ ଜନ୍ତା ଭିତରେ ଥିଲ। And the tiger came walking by. ଏବଂ ବାଘ ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ଆସିଲା। ଟାଇଗର, ଇଣ୍ଟରପ୍ଟିଂ। ଟାଇଗର ତାଙ୍କ କଥା ଭିତରେ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିଛି, ମାନେ ବାଧା ଦେଇ କହିଛି, Nonsense! ଜ୍ଞାନ ଶୂନ୍ୟ, ଅଜ୍ଞାନ। What a fool you are! ତମେ କେତେ ବୋକା। I was in the trap. ମୁଁ କୋଉଠି ଜନ୍ତା ଭିତରେ ଥିଲି। ଜାକଲ, Pretending to tremble. ଥରିବା, tremble ମାନେ ଥରିବା, pretending ଛଳନା କରିବା, ଥରିବାର ଅଭିନୟ କରିଛି। From head to foot. ମୁଣ୍ଡରୁ ପାଦ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେ ଥରିବାର ଆକ୍ସନ କରିଛି। He speaks in jumbled words meaninglessly. ସେ ଥରି ଥରି କ'ଣ ଅସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ ଶବ୍ଦ ସବୁ, ମାନେ meaninglessly ମାନେ ଯାହାର କିଛି ଅର୍ଥ ନାହିଁ। Of course, ଅବଶ୍ୟ। Yes, ହଁ। I was in the trap. ମୁଁ ଜନ୍ତା ଭିତରେ ଥିଲି। No, I wasn't. ନା, ମୁଁ ନଥିଲି। Dear, ପ୍ରିୟ, Oh my poor brain. ହେ ମୋର ବିଚରା ମସ୍ତିଷ୍କ। Let me see. ମୋତେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। The tiger was in the Brahman. ଟାଇଗର ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ଭିତରେ ଥିଲା। And the trap came walking by. ଏବଂ ଜନ୍ତାଟି ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ଆସିଲା। No, that's not it. ନା, ସେମିତି ନୁହଁ। Either. Well, don't mind me. ଆଚ୍ଛା, ମୋ କଥା ଧରନା। But begin your dinner. ତମ ଡିନର ଆରମ୍ଭ କର। For I shall never understand. ମୁଁ କେବେ ବି ବୁଝିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। ଟାଇଗର, In a rage at the jackal's stupidity. ଜାକେଲର ଏଇ stupidity ବା ନିର୍ବୋଧତା ଉପରେ ଟାଇଗର ରାଗିଗଲା। I will make you understand. ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ବୁଝାଇ ଦେବି। I am the tiger. ମୁଁ ହେଲି ବାଘ। I will. ଜାକଲ, Yes, my lord. ହଁ ମୋର ପ୍ରଭୁ। ଟାଇଗର, ବାଘ କହୁଛି, And that is the Brahman. ସିଏ ହେଉଛି ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ। ଜାକଲ, Yes, my lord. ଟାଇଗର, And I was in the trap. ମୁଁ ଟ୍ରାପ୍ ଭିତରେ ଥିଲି। Do you understand? ତମେ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ? ଜାକଲ, Yes. No. ହଁ, ନା। Please, my lord. ଦୟାକରି ମୋ ପ୍ରଭୁ ମୋତେ ବୁଝାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଟାଇଗର, Don't you understand, you fool? ଏ ବୋକା, ତମେ ବୁଝିପାରୁନ? ଜାକଲ, I do, my lord. Please don't be angry. ହଁ, ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଦୟାକରି ରାଗନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ। But how did you get inside it? କିନ୍ତୁ ତମେ ଏହା ଭିତରେ କିପରି ପଶିଲ? The trap is too small to hold you. ଏଇ ଜନ୍ତାଟି ଏତେ ଛୋଟ, ତମକୁ ଧରି ରଖିବାକୁ ବହୁତ ଛୋଟ। ଟାଇଗର, What an idiot you are. ତମେ କେତେ ନିର୍ବୋଧ। The tiger loses patience. ବାଘ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହରାଇ ଦେଇଛି and at once jumps into the trap. ଏବଂ ତତ୍କ୍ଷଣାତ୍ ଟ୍ରାପ୍ ଭିତରକୁ ଜମ୍ପ କରିଛି. Here I am in the trap. ଏଠି ମୁଁ ଟ୍ରାପ୍ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି. Now do you understand how it was? Now ଏବେ ତମେ ବୁଝୁଛ ଏହା କିପରି ହୋଇଥିଲା? Jackal quickly shutting the door. Jackal ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଡୋର ସଟ୍ କରିଦେଲା ମାନେ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲା. Thank you very much for explaining the things to me. Thank you very much. ତମକୁ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. For explain କରିବା ବୁଝେଇଦବା. The things to me ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ମୋତେ ବୁଝାଇଦେଲ. Goodbye Mr. Tiger. Mr. Tiger ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ବାଘ goodbye ଶୁଭ ବିଦାୟ. I am sorry. I took so much of your time. I am sorry. ମୁଁ ଭାରି ଦୁଃଖିତ ଯେ ମୁଁ ତମର ଏତେ ସମୟ ନେଇଗଲି. The Brahman and the Jackal walk away. ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ଆଉ ଜାକଲ ଚାଲିଗଲେ. ଏବେ ସିନ୍ 3 କୁ ବେସ୍ କରି କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସନ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ସର ଆନ୍ସର ଆମେ କରିବା, ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିଦେବା. Question number 1. Did the jackal help the Brahman? Answer. Yes, the jackal helped the Brahman. Question number 2. Was the jackal foolish, mad or clever? Answer. The jackal was clever. Number 3. Why did he pretend to be foolish and mad? Answer. He pretended to be foolish and mad in order to make the tiger a fool. Number 4. Who first helped the jackal understand what happened? Answer. The Brahman first helped the jackal understand what happened. Number 5. Was the Brahman successful in doing so? Answer. No, the Brahman was not successful in doing so. Number 6. Question. When the Brahman said that the tiger was inside the trap and he was out, what did the jackal say? Answer. The jackal said that the Brahman was in the trap and the tiger came walking by. Question number 7. Who tried next to make the jackal understand what happened? Answer. The tiger tried next to make the jackal understand what happened. Number 8 question. Was the tiger successful in doing so? Yes, the tiger was successful in doing so. Number 9 question. Why did the jackal say meaninglessly words not in order? Answer. The jackal said meaninglessly to confuse the tiger. Question number 10. When the jackal said the trap is too small, what did the tiger do? Answer. The tiger at once jumped into the trap. Question number 11. What did the jackal do when the tiger jumped into the trap? The jackal quickly shut the door of the trap. Number 12. In most of the plays there is a hero and there is a villain. Who is the hero and who is the villain in this play? Answer. In this play, the jackal is the hero and the tiger is the villain. Number 13. Can you say who is the cleverest of all? Yes, we can say the jackal is the cleverest of all.